Hello everyone, this is Vrushali and welcome back to my YouTube channel CSN IT Tutorials by Vrushali. From today's session, we will start our next subject playlist, that is operating system. Operating system is one of the most important and core engineering subject. This playlist will be useful for all the academic students for the university exams, different entrance exams and interview purpose. Basically, this playlist will be useful for all the OS learners. Let's start the series. So today, first we will discuss about introduction and different functions of operating system with simple examples. Let's start the session. So previously, we have already discussed about all these subjects with super easy explanation, practical demonstrations with real life examples. I have also shared with you all the important question bank of all the subjects. Please share my channel link with your friends and subscribe it. So that will be beneficial for everyone. Now, first tell me, have you ever wondered about how every electronic gadgets have worked quickly and efficiently? Who is the manager behind all of this? The reason is operating system. How? See here. In operating system, there are total 4 layers: user, application, operating system and hardware. So operating system is a middleware between application and the hardware. Let's see. Suppose there is a user. User use multiple electronic gadgets like laptop, mobile, computer and other. After that, they have installed multiple apps or softwares as per their requirement or need. Let's take an example. Suppose this user want to use Microsoft Word application. So they click Microsoft Word icon. So at that time, this is a responsibility of operating system to load Microsoft Word application in memory. Now, user types something here. After that, user want to print a document. So they click on the print button. So operating system pass this instruction to the printer, that is hardware part. So this is a work of operating system. Basically, they work as a bridge between software and the hardware. Operating system process each and every instructions accurately as per the user requirement. Now let's discuss in detail. So, what are the different functions of operating system? One of the most important function is process management. See, user perform multiple process at the same time. See here, user can playing a game, also they listening the music and in background they download a particular file. Means they perform multiple tasks at the same time. So this task is called as process in operating system. The responsibility of operating system to provide equal CPU processing power to each and every task, which is called as process management. We will discuss process management in detail in next session. Now, the next function is memory management. Sometimes what happen? User open multiple app at the same time. So the responsibility of operating system to allocate random access memory to each and every app smartly. They take care about each and every application that they didn't clash with each other. This is called as memory management. Now, the next function is file system management. So operating system track each and every file organization structure in your system. Let's take an example. Suppose user want to store Microsoft Word document. So operating system create one folder where all documents file have stored. User can perform different operation like view, rename, delete on that particular file later or anytime. So this is work of file system management. They maintain a particular file storage. Next one is called as device management. The responsibility of operating system to control all the input-output devices accurately. There are multiple devices attached to your device like computers, USB, hard drive, keyboard, mouse, printer, router, headphones, right? So operating system manage all these devices as per the user instructions. Now, the last function is called as user interface. As we know, every operating system having different graphical user interface. See here, This is the user interface of Android operating system. This is the user interface of Windows system, and this is the user interface of Mac OS. So every graphical user interface is more attractive and easy to use. All the other apps, their names are properly given here, right? So which is easy to understand. So basically operating system provide easy to use, attractive graphical user interface. So these all are the functions of operating system. Now, as per your previous year question paper, the most important questions have asked like what is operating system? List and explain service provided by the operating system for 5 marks. And again, the next question is define operating system, discuss functions of operating system for 5 marks. So you have to prepare all this topic with simple, easy explanation. So this is all about. Thank you. Keep learning.